Computer services.
Good morning. Good morning. Let us start. Say, army has 5 camps. The paths between the camps, the paths between camps is as shown in matrix. Is as shown in the following adjacency matrix. Okay. Camp 1, Camp 1 is connected to Camp 3. Camp 2 is connected to Camp 4. Camp 3 is connected to, say, Camp 5. And Camp 5 is connected to 4. Let us represent this information as a matrix. Five columns and 5 rows. Camp 1, Camp 2, Camp 3, Camp 4, Camp 5. Camp 1, Camp 2, Camp 3, Camp 4, and Camp 5. The connection is there from 1 to 3. There is no connection between 1 to 4 and 1 to 5. There is a connection between 2 to 4. There is a connection between 3 to 5. 4 is not connected to anybody. But whereas 5 to 4, there is a path. All are one-way paths. Okay? So I hope you understand this adjacency matrix. Now, there are two army colonels. One is Bhumi and one is Airo. Three soldiers are kept at locations 5, 1 and 4. Now the colonels move players from one location to other location. Okay. If you fail to do so, then you are loser. Okay. So they play by taking alternate moves. Bhumi take first move, Airo takes second move. Look here, three soldiers are at locations 5, 1, 4, and paths available are 1 to 3, 2 to 4, 3 to 2, no, 3 to 4. I gave a different one, I think. 3 to 5, 1 2 3 3 2 4, say 3 2 4, 3 2 4. Okay, so assume that these are the paths available. Now Bhumi comes here and tries to move 5, tries to move soldier from here, but there is no path from 5. So then goes here. At 1 there are two paths, 1 2 3 and 3 2 4. Bhumi moves soldier from 1 to 3. Airo moves soldier from 3 to 4. Okay, now 4 is a dead end. Next, say this is there is no path. So from 4 there is no path. Bhumi 1 2 3, Airo 3 to 4. Next, Bhumi no path. So who won the game? Who won the game? Airo. So I request all of you to think about it and solve this problem on your own. And please ask me if you have any doubts through our WhatsApp channels. Okay, let us take a new problem. The problem is array product. The I request you to read the problem once. There are two numbers. There are two numbers, 2 and 3. There are two numbers, 2 and 3. In how many ways? In how many ways the product of 2 and 3 can be expressed? In how many ways the product of 2 and 3 can be expressed by using four factors? Using four factors. See the example. Say A is 2, B is 3, C is A into B, that is 6. The factors of 6 are 1, 2 and 3 and 6. Okay. So please respond to me. There are two numbers 2 and 3. In how many ways the product of 2 and 3 can be expressed using 4 factors? So A is 2, B is 3, the product is 6. Factors of 6 are 1, 2 and 1, 2, 3 and 6. So you can express you can express 6 in two different ways. One is 1 into 1 into 1 into 6. Second is 1 into 1 into 2 into 3. 3 ones into 6. Second is 1 into 1 into 2 into 3. Okay. So there are two ways. There are two ways to express 6 as a product of 4 factors. Okay, output is 2. Manisha, please try to understand. There are two factors. There are two numbers. 4 factors. The numbers are 2 and 3. In how many ways? In how many ways 2 into 3 can be expressed as a product of 4 factors. Four factors. In how many ways? 1 1 6 6 is one way. Sorry, 1 1 1 6 is one way. The other way is 1 1 2 3. So please let me know if you understand this or not. Manisha, please let me know if you understand this or not. Mukta, Subhashini, Sheikh, Amulya, Chandi Priya, Prashant Reddy. అర్థమైంది లేదా చెప్పండి. Please let me know. One more problem. There are two factors, 4 and 16, and their product is 64. You can express this with 3 factors. With 3 factors, how many ways? With 3 factors, how many ways? Factors are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and 64. These are the factors. Okay, how can you express 1 into 64? Next, 1 into 2 into 32. Next, 1 into 4 into 64. Sorry, 16. Next, 1 into 8 into 8. Next, 2 into 16. Next, 2 into 4 into 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, 2 into 2 into 4 into 8, 2 into 4 into 8, and finally 4 into 4 into 4. Okay, is this clear? How many ways? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you understand the problem? Did you understand the problem? So look here. First factor. This is factor number 1, factor number 2, factor number 3, factor number 4, factor number 5, factor number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. How many factors? I think 7 factors. Yeah, 7 factors. So how many factors? How many ways? 7 ways. Clear? Is this clear? So factor 1, factor 2, factor 3, factor 4. This is factor 3. And this is factor 4. And this is factor 5. This is factor 6. And this is factor 7. So how many factors are there? 7. Clear? Now, factor 1, and factor 7. This is factor 1, factor 2, factor 6. And this is factor 1, factor 3, and factor 5. This is factor 1, factor 4, and factor 4. Clear? Is this clear? Now, first factor remains same. First factor remains same. Second factor is increasing and third factor is decreasing. Second factor is increasing and third factor is decreasing. Okay? After, suppose this is I, this is J, this is K. For I, J is increasing and K is decreasing. For a given I, J is increasing from 1 to 4 and K is decreasing from 7 to 4. And when J equal to K, I goes to next value. I goes to next value. Now that is 2, second factor. What about K? K is fourth factor. 2 into 4. So K again set to 7. Okay. Now 2, that is, what is second factor? 2. What is second factor? 2. What is seventh factor? 8. Oh, not 8, 64. So product is not equal to 64. Next, 2, this will become remain as 2. Next we take 6. What about the product? 2 into 2 into 32, not equal to 64. Next, 2, 2, 5. This is 2 into 2. What is fifth number? What is fifth number? 16. Okay, equal to 64. Now we will increase j and decrease k. Decrease k. It will continue. Okay, so Pravalika, Manisha, Padmaja, can you tell me what to do? For I, j is increasing and k is decreasing. Now this one problem will lead to several similar problems. Solving this, we can solve several problems. One single problem will lead to solutions of several problems. Now say A equal to 4, B equal to 16. We need 3 factors. Say a product of 3 factors. Okay. Now let product is equal to A into B. Okay. Now find out all the factors of it. Find out all the factors of it. How do you find out the factors? Let factors is equal to nil. Say I equal to 1. Now let us write a function for factors. Factors is equal to, say, find factors. Find factors. Input is product. Let us write a function. Define find factors. Input is product. Input is product. Now assume that factors is a null list. Start with 1 while or by default first factor is 1. Assume that it is 1. Okay. Now you start from 2. Okay. While the product is greater than 0, if product mod I equal to 0, then I is a factor. Then I is a factor. So please follow me and write something in chat box to let me know whether you are following the flow or not. If I divides product, PRODUCT, if I divides product with no reminder, okay. Next, product is equal to product by no, just I is equal to I plus 1. Next time 3, next time 4, okay. Product by I is greater than 1. Okay. Now return factors. So let us print so print factors. Print factors. So we need 64 also. Let us put greater than or equal to 1. Is this clear? Did you understand it? So please let me know the process we use to find out factors. Okay. Now you got factors now. Now find out number of ways. Find out number of ways. Factors and what is required? P. Okay. So these are number of ways in which you will represent the product using P number of factors. Okay. This P is minimum number of factors. Okay. So let us write that method as well. Define number of ways. Input is factors. Let us call this as say array A and P. Okay. Right. 3 factors. So let us give it as, let us take it as 3 only. Okay. If more are required, we will add them. Find out total number of factors. Find out total number of factors. Okay. Next, I varies from 0 to n minus 2. J varies from I to, initial value of j is I to n minus 1. Assume that k is the last factor. Assume that k is the last factor, while j is less than k, less than or equal to k. Find out the product. What is that? Ai into aj into ak. If this is if this is so pass product as well. Okay, if this is equal to product, if this is equal to product, then have an empty list here. To this empty list you append these factors: ai, aj and ak. Okay, and after appending it, try the same with next k. Try the same with next k. Okay, now return ways. Okay, now you should get the solution. Okay, let us run it and see. Here you need product also. So count them. How many we got? Did we get 7? Did we get 7? When j equal to k, I moves to next one. Okay. So we got 7 factors. Let us try other input. Say 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Let us check what we get. We got 116 and 123. But number of factors required are 4. Number of factors required are 4. So what should be done? What should we do? What we should do is find out length of any one product. Find out length of any one product. If it is if it is length if it is less than p, if it is less than p, then add as many ones. Add as many ones to all the factors. For way in ways, how many factors are to be added? Say let this be n. N is number of factors in each way. Number of factors in each way. If n is less than p, if n is less than p, then add n minus p zeros. Then add n minus p zeros in each of the combination. Add n minus p zeros, n minus p ones, n minus p ones in each of the ways. Way dot insert at 0 position 1. Okay. Now print no, for I in range length of ways way I. Okay. Function is not subscriptable. Let us store this into number of ways. Now this is number of ways. Now this is number of ways. This is number of ways. This is also number of ways. Int is not iterable. For I in range, this is 3, and what is p? P is 4. If n is less than p, this is not n minus p, this is p minus n. This is p minus n. Okay. Is this clear? Is this clear? Okay. Now let us take this as 4 and this as 16. Now each of the product should consist of 4 factors. Each of the product should consist of 4 factors. Okay. So hope you understand it. Is this clear? Is this clear? Next. If you understand this, let us move to next problem. Finding sum. Finding sum, same as before. 4 factors are given. 4 factors are given. Okay. First line is number of integers, comma, target sum, comma, target. Okay. Now find sum of triplets which are divisible by target. Find number of triplets. Find number of triplets whose sum is divisible by target. Tell the answer. Let me know the answer. Let me know the answer. Find number of triplets whose sum is divisible by target. Okay. Say 5 plus 10 plus 15. 5 plus 10 plus 20 is one combination. 5 plus 10 plus 15 is one combination. Then 5 plus 15 plus 20 is one combination. Then 10 plus 15 plus 20 is other combination. So how many combinations are there? There are 4 triplets. Okay. Is this clear? There are 4 triplets. You can see here. This is factor 1, factor 2, factor 4. Next, factor 1, factor 2, factor 3. Now factor 1, factor 2, sorry, factor 1, factor 2, factor 4. Now factor 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 4. This is 2, 3, 4. Okay. Is this clear? They are like combinations. They are like 4C3. Okay, 4C3. But if you take combinations, it consumes lot of time and space. Okay, is this clear? So this is nothing but combinations, numbers, comma 3. Okay, is this clear? So you get a list. Now what you do? So you assume that count is equal to 0, and then what you do for every sublist, for sublist in list, if sum of sublist modulus 5 equal to 0, then you increase count by 1. Okay, is this clear? This is one way. The second way is a mere extension of what we did. It is mere extension of the current method. Okay, now so you need not find factors. Now nums are 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, now target is 5. Okay, now so print number of ways. Input is nums and target. Okay, now this is called target. Okay, here have count as 0. Now start from I plus 1. Start from I plus 1. Now here remove j equal to k. Here the triplet is sum. The triplet is sum. Okay, here the condition is if the triplet sum modulus target equal to 0, then increase count by 1. Okay, now return count. Clear? Is this clear? Is this clear? We use the same logic, but some changes are made. J from I plus 1 to n minus 1 and j less than k, right? So input first is First input is size, number of numbers. This is first input. What is second input? Second input is target. Second input is target. Okay. Next the nums. How many input dot split at blank space. How many n numbers? Okay. Now map them into integers and make it a list. Okay. Now let us run it. There are 4 numbers. Target is 5. The numbers are 5, 10, 15 and 20. So in 4 different ways. Is this clear? Is this clear? So whatever we did for product, we did for sum. Okay, same logic. Next, using the same logic, we can solve one more problem. Given number of integers and some target and integers itself, find out sum of triplet which is nearest to target. Okay, find sum of triplet which is nearest to target. Is this clear? And we are going to use the same logic. Same logic is going to be used. Now, import sys. Assume that nearest number is the maximum number. Assume that nearest number is the maximum number. Okay. Now, so logic is same. While I in range 0 to n minus 2, j in range I plus 1 to n minus 1, k equal to n, k starts with n minus 1, while j less than. Okay, find out triplet. Find out triplet. It is sum now. ai plus aj plus ak. Okay. Okay, now if this triplet is equal to target, let us call this as, say, nearest triplet. So what is it? Nearest triplet. Okay. If triplet is target, then return anyone. Return triplet or target. Okay. Otherwise, so try to understand this logic. This is triplet. This is target. And this is nearest. Find out how close these are and find out how close these are. Okay, find out whether triplet is close or nearest is close. Okay, find out whether triplet is close or nearest is close. If triplet is close, next time triplet is nearest. Otherwise, nearest will not change. Is this clear? Is this clear? Now, let us implement it. For closeness, we need absolute value. So, import R from math, import, say everything. Or simply, why import everything? Import math. Oh, 1 minute. From math, import absolute value. Okay, now if difference between target and triplet is less than difference between target and nearest, then nearest is triplet. Nearest is triplet. Okay, is this clear? Is this clear? Explained here. Difference between target and triplet is smaller than target and nearest. Then this is nearest. Okay. Now, if difference between the triplet and the target is greater than 0, then try with next value from the last. Okay, so let us run this program. There are same 6 numbers. So the target is 7. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what are we returning? We are returning nothing. What should we return? Return nearest. Okay. Now, are we catching it here? Yes, we are catching. The 6 numbers, target is 7. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So which one is taken? I think 4 2 and 1 2 4. 1 2 4. Let us print that also. Say result is equal to AI, AJ and AK. Okay. Here print result as well. The 6 numbers. Target is 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Print result. Six target is say 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Why is not getting printed? Acha, it is returning here itself. Say print result. Six, 7, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Is this clear? Is this clear? Now, let us take target as 8. Six numbers, target as 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. It is also possible. Is target 9 possible? 9 also possible. 10 possible, 10 also possible. 11 possible, yes. 12, 12 possible. Let us take 13. Same 13 is also possible. Let us take 14. Let us take 14. 6 and 14. Okay, numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you got the nearest one. Is this clear? Is this clear? Not nearest one. Let us take 15. I think 15 is not possible. So 6 and 15. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. 6, 5 is 11. Also possible. I take 16. Okay. So nearest is 15. Hope you understand it. Is this clear? So same logic is used for 3 different problems. And this is the key to find out the nearest. Problem for tomorrow's session. Big crawl. Please note down, sorry, bug crawl. Bug crawl and building blocks. Okay, if possible, read them and try to understand the problem. Okay, so try to get solution also if possible, otherwise we will discuss tomorrow. One is building blocks, second one is bug crawl, and other one is counting bits. So for tomorrow's session I'm going to take three problems: count bits, bug crawl, and building blocks. Also this. Okay, because we could not get the correct solution. Yesterday we got Bhumi, Airo and Bhumi. The third one should be Airo. Okay, so we'll try to get it. So with this I end the session.